here on a job site, ready to install the weather barrier. We have the plywood sheathing has already been installed. And for the weather barrier at SIGA, we recommend the SIGA Majvest. What we're going to do before we install the Majvest is measure the layout for our Majvest to make sure we get a nice clean install. The Majvest, it's laid out in a way to help this be easy for us. Each of these sections here are about 4 inches, right? So we measured for the sake of this wall, it's 174 inches. Okay, so we've laid out the amount of Majvest that we need. Just cut cleanly along this line. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pull our chalk line, give us a nice clean straight edge. What we want to do when installing our T50 staples is we want to put it just anywhere in this 4-inch overlap. Because what will happen is the second course of Majvest will come down and overlap and cover this staple. We're going to go ahead and cover our entire rough opening and do the bottom course right here. Make sure that we're putting staples, fasteners along our rough opening here. Okay, what we're going to do now is install the second course of Majvest on top of the first course. We're going to overlap the 4 inches, and we want to be sure to place our staple at the tape edge. Okay, now we're going to go up the ladder and finish the upper course. Okay, the next thing we want to do is use a couple stingers in the field. It's a minimum 36-inch spacing for the stingers in order to secure the Majvest onto the wall. That was the mounting of the SIGA Majvest. Thanks for watching.